Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. Tear Apart, and today we're going to be upgrading my Lian PC-011 dynamic. More specifically, we're going to be upgrading the operating system hard drive. I currently have a Samsung 850 EVO in there, and although it's performed extremely well, I want to take it up a notch. So I got the HP SSD EX920. This is an NVMe drive. This drive is in an M.2 format, and it should give me speeds that are at least 2 to 3 times faster than the 850 EVO. Additionally, it's a 1 terabyte drive. The EVO that I have there is an 850, so I'm definitely gonna be using that extra storage for gaming. And this should be a pretty straightforward installation today. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, and that is it for the installation. As you saw, extremely straightforward. It took less than 5 minutes to put this SSD in there. One thing that I really liked and appreciated about the EX920 is that it brought an M.2 screw. That may not seem like a big deal until you're installing an M.2 drive and realize you don't have any screws laying around, and then you have to go ahead and go and purchase one last minute. So that was definitely appreciated. As you can see, the speeds on this are fantastic. In comparison to the 850 EVO, I mean, it just blows the Samsung out of the water. The one thing that I didn't like about the EX920 is that it has a status light for the HD activity, which is very bright. Luckily, my motherboard has an extra M.2 slot, and I was able to, after the video was done, switch over to that slot, which sits behind the graphics card, so I don't see the activity light. But otherwise, this is a fantastic drive. It runs extremely cool, runs extremely fast, and I am looking forward to run some organic testing on this. It's video editing and gaming, so definitely going to be able to get some better speeds than what I was getting before. And that's going to be all for today, guys. Go ahead and hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe for more. I have a bunch of new videos coming out, and as always, leave comments in the comment section if you have any questions or any suggestions, and I'll see you next time.